everyone? Welcome back. Today we're in a different car. We're actually in the family car, and we're gonna go ahead and get some stuff done today. So, you know, I got a couple things that I unboxed recently that I want to go ahead and show you, so I'll insert that right here. My bed for being an absolute disaster, but just woke up, so I haven't gotten the chance to do it, and we're in the process of doing laundry. Anyway, it doesn't matter. Look what just came in the mail. I'm super excited. Apologize for the voice, but I also just woke up, so just get right to it. I got, of course, the BC Racing Digressive series. Put the link down in the description box below. Look at these things. Look at this. Sorry for any background noise, but I don't live by myself. Here you can see the Digressive series. Adjustable collars and preload are two separate things. And then of course they do have adjustable dampening up here. So those were the rears I just showed you. Now we come over here to the front. These things are pretty solid. We got, of course, the camber plates up top with the adjustable dampening. Now, if I'm not mistaken, off the top of my head, I believe these have 30-way adjustable dampening. Very nice. Now, if you're curious about the spring rates that I got, I just went with the 8K in the front and 8K in the rear. It is my daily driver and mountain car, so it has to do well at both, which I know isn't super ideal, but you know, in the future maybe we can change things, but for now that should be more than fine. Looks like they went ahead and sent us some stickers. Nice, you can see there the years that it's for, has a warranty according to this. Nice, and they write you a little letter. Very cool. Alright, well, I guess the next clip you guys will see is me installing these. Now, that's not going to be on my channel. That's going to be on the No Lift Garage channel. So if you want, check the link down in the description box below. Go ahead and subscribe to them. Okay, so we got a receipt. Nice. Oh man, the package got a little bit damaged. The box. Oh well, I won't keep it anyway. Oh, nice. Nice solid weight to them. Thank goodness that's not a scratch. Cool. These things are sweet. Awesome. Alright, so UPS came a little bit late today, so I guess I'll be getting the rest of my stuff tomorrow. If you guys have seen the recent videos, you know that I got new wheels for the Subaru. Well, when you get wheels, it's only right when you get coilovers, just like I showed you a little bit earlier, and lower control arms for dialing your alignment. And of course, when you lower the car, that affects your alignment significantly. Nice. This is so cool. Holy crap. Look at that metallic plate. Sheesh. If you guys can't tell, these are actually Cusco rear lower control arms. This will help dial in some of the camber that I'm going to need in the rear in order to make the wheels fit. But look at this quality though. So first of all, obviously the paint is amazing. Second, these have spherical bearings inside, so if you wiggle it around like this, you can see that it has full 360, or it's able to travel rather, in different directions to go with the suspension. But it's protected by this rubber boot. Sweet. And then of course, basically how it works, you extend this rod and that either reduces camber or increases it. Sick. Also, what we're gonna go ahead and be doing today is getting the Volk ZE40s rebalanced, and one of them has a tire.
You ever had a dream that you could
Can't speak. Rip. One of them has a nail in the tire, so we're gonna go ahead and get that patched as well. You can see I got them right back here. So let's just go get started. So you guys might be wondering why I'm gonna go ahead and get the tires rebalanced off the Subaru, and why wouldn't I just get them balanced while I get in alignment? Well, I want to get these, you know, wheels properly cleaned. I did the best that I could in the previous video that I showed you guys of me, you know, taking you through on how to actually clean your wheels and how anybody could do it. But these wheels look like they have been, you know, through some serious tar. I don't know. They've probably been driven on a place that recently got paved. So they have a little bit of extra tar on the back that I couldn't get off myself. Now, I don't want to damage the wheel either. So I'd rather take it to my boy John over at Sanford Auto Spa. They're professionals, and I'd rather have, you know, professional take care of it. Plus, I also want to get the wheel weight residue off as well. I don't want that lingering in the back of the actual tire itself. I did want to mention something to you guys. You know, I know the time that we're going through right now isn't easy for anyone. You know, me personally, I'm not used to not working and being as productive as I can, but I'm trying to do my best with the time that I have available and take advantage of that, you know, by sharing things with you guys. So I hope you've been enjoying these past couple of videos that I made. You know, like I mentioned in the description box, and like I ask you guys all the time, if you have any ideas on content that you want to see, I'd love to hear what you have. You know, I'm very open-minded, so what's the worst that can happen? Get out of traffic. Make sure that we're safe first. Come on. I'm not trying to get into any incidents. That's another thing too. I've noticed, at least local to me, I live in the New York City area, Queens specifically. I've noticed that there's been a bunch of accidents. So I hope you guys are driving safe if you are out and about. You know, just be mindful of drivers a little bit more now, because, you know, since the roads are so open, people are going a little bit quicker than they're normally used to in their pedestrian cars. Also, I want to know how you guys are handling, you know, this whole quarantine thing. You know, what are you guys doing to occupy your time? Are you exercising more? I'm trying to. Are you, you know, being more productive? Are you reading any books? If you are, let me know what you're reading. Just let me know how you're getting through this, because it's definitely not something that I'm pretty sure most of us aren't used to. I haven't been sleeping very well. Now, I'm not the best sleeper to begin with, but lately I have been getting very little sleep. You know, last night was probably the first night in 3 days that I actually slept. I slept maybe 3 hours, so I wonder if anybody else is experiencing the same thing, you know? It's nice to know that you're not the only one. Anywho, I'll get back to you guys once we actually get there. Alrighty guys, so we're pulling up to Intrac Tires now. Let's see what the availability is looking at. Like, look at that SC300. I think it's a 300. Can't really tell from this angle. Oof, and that E92 over there. Nice. Let's head inside. Let's get the mask on and the gloves. Don't forget your mask and gloves, people. It's not over yet. This E92 is hot. Damn, look at that rear pivot. Sheesh. All right, let's see what we got. So we're about to get these rebalanced and see if this nail leaks, and then there's a nail on another one of these. We're going to see if that one leaks too.
Grab it, Chuck. Yeah, this is leaking.
It is? So yeah, in that case, I'd rather get an actual patch, not a plug. Yeah. Alrighty guys, so we just finished at Intrac Tire. Always holding it down. Got, let's see if I can spin this around. Got the new wheel weights on, so we're fresh and balanced. Whew. Let's go. I'm hyped. I can't wait to actually get these on the car. And we got the one hole that was leaking patched up. Now guys, let me get in the car and I'll tell you why you should go with a patch instead of a plug. So the reason why you want to go with a patch instead of a plug is because a patch, you actually have to take the tire out, of course put the patch on the inside, and then reapply the tire. Well, when you get a tire plug, all they're going to do is take the nail out, and they're going to take a piece of rubber and literally drill it into the hole until it's all the way in, and then obviously they're going to take the tool that they use out, and that's what a plug is. Now, the reason why a patch is better than a plug is because, you know, during inclement weather and temperature fluctuations, with a plug, it could be you could potentially get a leak. Long story short, you could potentially get a leak if you hit a bump too hard. It could potentially leak over time and you not know it. So a patch is always better. Yes, it's a little bit more expensive, and by a little bit more expensive, I mean like, well, maybe 10 or 15 bucks more. Totally worth the money to actually go ahead and get the actual patch. But yeah, I'm super stoked to get these wheels on the Subi. You guys should have already seen the coilovers and the Cusco rear control arms. So the next step that we're gonna go ahead and do, like I mentioned, we're gonna get these professionally cleaned by my boy John at Sanford Auto Spa. Then we'll reveal the whole package after that. So I'm excited, I can't wait. I think I'm gonna be going over to get the wheels cleaned tomorrow. So I'll bring you guys along with me once we get there. All right, guys.